Jungle Animal Hair Salon too.
Hello.
Welcome to the jungle. Hello, what can I get for you? Pick your favorite. First, wash the raspberries. Add sugar for some sweetness. Drop in some ice cubes. Turn it on. Good job! Pour it in the glass. Spray some whipped cream. More fruits, please. Slice it. Wow, it looks delicious. Good job.
Ooh, very nice.
Collect your bonus coins. Hello, what can I get for you? Pick your favorite. Welcome to the jungle.
Hi, can you be my stylist? My hair is a mess. Can you help me? Apply the shampoo. I love water. Brush it, please. Will you trim my hair? Let's braid my hair. You're doing great. It's a... Remember, you are the best. Hi, can you be my stylist? I want to be a fashionista. Nice skirt. Yellow. Gorgeous. Yellow. Nice skirt. I love these shoes. Meow. How do I look? How do I look?
Amazing!
Hi, can you be my stylist? Apply some eyeshadow, please. Mascara for a false lash effect. Wow, I love it! Hi, can you be my stylist?
Welcome to the jungle.
Hi, I'm Sarah. Oh, I love taking a bath. Rinse it, please. Chocolate mask is my favorite. Let's wait a couple minutes. Shower time! Apply the coconut oil, please. I really need a pedicure. File my nails.